Hello, lovely one. I welcome you to the second class of this beautiful teaching on quadratics. And this is our quadratic expression. So we are asked to expand and simplify. It's just so easy. Now let's do this together. So to expand and simplify, we begin with solution. So the first one we have 2p minus 3 into p plus 5. So if you follow that first class, I taught us how to do that quickly. So repeating what we did in the first class, use this 2p, okay, to multiply the two values in the bracket, the next bracket, okay. Now, mind you, this 3 is having is the one carrying the negative sign. This 2 is carrying positive, 3 is negative. So you're also going to use negative 3 to multiply the next bracket. That is just what you need to do. And if you do that, you are going to have 2p, we multiply p, and that will give us 2p squared. 2p, we multiply positive 5, and that will give us positive 10p. We now go with this. Negative 3 multiplies p, that will give us negative 3p. Did you see that? Then you also use negative 3 to multiply 5. That will give us negative 15. Now simplify. Remember we said this and this are not the same. Only these two are the same because they have the same variable p and with the same power 1. So just simplify. We have 2p squared. 10 take away 3 gives you 7. So we have 7p minus 15. So this gives us the answer to the first one. Now let's quickly do the second question to have. For question 2, we have 3m minus 4 into 2m minus 7. I'm going to show you another way you can do it, okay? Remember, you're using the first value here to multiply these two. So it is 3m is multiplying 2m minus 7. That's what it means. Then you are using negative 4 to multiply 2m minus 7. Did you see what that means? So you are going to distribute like we did in the first. You also use this to distribute. Do you see? So if you do that, you are going to have 3m times 2m. 3 times 2 will give us 6. M times m gives us m squared. Now multiply this, it gives us negative 21m. Multiply this, it gives us negative 8m. Negative multiplies negative is positive. 4 times 7 is 28. You are done. So simplifying, we have 6m squared. Now you are adding these two values. Negative 21, negative 8 gives us negative 29m. Then add 28. So this is what we have. Remember we said don't put equal sign here because this is an expression. And note that you are not expected to get the value of m because it is still an expression. So this is what you are only expected to do. If you understood what you did, do this and let's discuss your answers in the comment. I'll be there with you. If this helps you, don't forget to like and share. I will see you in our next class. Bye-bye.